Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm a fibre artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some basic weave. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To start weaving, you will want to weave from the middle. Bring your shuttle up from behind around halfway. I have used 2 threads here. Weave the shuttle up and over the warp threads. Once you reach the end, you will want to weave back in the opposite direction, this time weaving the opposite to the row below. This is your basic weave, which is also called tabby weave. Once you have finished your rows or want to change colour, weave your shuttle into the middle and trim the wool, making sure all ends of your wool are poking out the back. You can sew these in later. For more weaving inspiration, head on over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. See you for more videos soon.